If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
You started saying, hey, it's Mama Governale from Big Meals.
It's Mama Governale here again.
Okay. There we go, really punch it out. When I poke you go, hey, it's Mama.
Hey, it's Mama Governale again with Sal. We're gonna cook something really delicious.
No, you forgot the
today.
Big Meal, Small Places part, Ma. That's so important
What I
because
gotta
if people
say?
don't hear that, they're just gonna change the channel immediately.
Oh, really?
So, oh yeah, that's huge. Ready? So let's do it again.
Hey, this is Mama Governale again with Big Meals, Small Places.
But Small Places is my part. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? And go.
Hey, this is Mama Governale again with Big Meals.
Wait, you can't be again because this is the first episode.
Oh, the first time.
Okay, that's all right. Here we go.
Hey, this is Mama Governale with Big Meals.
Small Places! And today we're making...
Shrimp with broccoli and garlic.
This is my mom's personal recipe that she used to make all the time. And today we're making it in the toaster oven. So what's the first thing that we do, Mom?
Okay, first we do the mix. We do some oil.
Put the broccoli in?
You can do it. We put like a quarter cup of oil.
That's a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then I have 2 cups of broccoli.
And then we add like a nice tablespoon of garlic.
Chopped garlic. Grated cheese.
Grated cheese.
Pecorino Romano, that's 1 good tablespoon.
We put a nice bunch of parsley.
That's about 1.5 tablespoons of parsley.
Pepper.
Yes, look at that. Okay.
And
S means salt.
oh, that's salt. Okay.
Yeah, that's all right. My mom gets a little nervous on camera.
No, because it's black, so I think it's salt.
Well, it's silver.
Okay.
There you go.
Then we put pepper.
Okay.
And then we squeeze some lemon.
Okay, half a lemon.
Oops, that's
A
okay.
little bit on Mom.
That's
You're so
okay.
sweet that it doesn't even matter, Mom. You can get all
Okay.
lemon. Okay, and then
Now we mix
give it a toss.
Give it a toss.
Okay, so we have the broccoli, Pecorino Romano cheese, garlic and parsley, and extra virgin olive oil. Give that a toss, and now,
We add some shrimps.
and there we go. We got about 1 cup of shrimp,
About a cup and a half of shrimps.
and then you mix that in as well.
Yes.
And that's it. It's just 1 toss in 1 bowl, and then pop it on the pan. Look at that. Look how great that is. Oh my God, it smells so good.
Don't forget the bottom because that's the best part.
Yes, don't forget the bottom because you have all the spices in there, that garlic and that parsley.
I want to add a little bit more oil.
Yeah. Always add a little oil on top and also a little salt and pepper to the fish on top as well.
Salt.
There we go. You got the.
I got the right time.
Now you're being a wise ass.
Pepper.
My mom's being a wise ass here. Okay.
And a little bit of
A
parsley.
little bit more parsley.
And that's ready to go.
That's how Italians cook. You notice that you start with 1 level. We did salt, pepper, garlic, parsley, tossed it. Then we threw it in the pan, and you basically repeated the process more or less.
Yes.
Then a little more salt, then a little more parsley. You mix it, but also use it as a topping. So here it is: shrimp, broccoli,
And garlic.
and that's it. We're gonna throw it in the toaster oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. I'm gonna go for 20 minutes. There we go.
Salad's ready.
Ah, all right. Look at that.
Wow.
Looks so good. It's been 20 minutes. The shrimp is cooked perfectly. It's nice and pink with that little orange tone to it. I love that. When the tails look like have that nice orange tone and the meat has that little pink tone. And the broccoli is beautifully roasted as well. Let's plate this. I can't wait to try this.
Wow. Looks really good.
And then what I always like to do, always do this. Get that pan,
Oh yeah.
get the juices in there. All right, give it a taste, Mom. All in 1 pan in your toaster oven. The only thing you're going to need is a bowl to mix the broccoli and the shrimp together.
Wow. This is better than the one I used to make.
Here it is, Mama
It's
Governale's
really delicious.
shrimp and broccoli with garlic, a little lemon, some cheese. Enjoy, everybody. God.